Bank will pay me 9,500 by keeping that document. Whatever journal entry we made, it will be reverse. Sales will become purchase. What is the discount given? 100. What is the total value? 5,000. The final thing is bills payable to bank. 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. Hello everyone, I am your Adarsh sir, lecturing Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. So we are in the session 4 for your topic called Bill of Exchange. So we have covered small concept as well as theory part. Today we will understand the major thing, discount factor. What do you mean by discount factor? How to calculate the discount factor? Everything we will understand in today's session. As I told you, still we are not in 12 marks problem. Just I am making you to understand all the concept. In the previous session, we understood who is drawer and who is drawee. How to calculate journal entry, how to prepare journal entry in the books of drawer, how to prepare journal entry in the books of drawee. We understood. Now, the same thing, the value is 10,000. If they go for discount, what will happen? What will be the journal entry for discount? Everything we will understand in today's session. The same journal entry, same format we will follow, but amount will be changed for in case of discount. We'll go for the problem. Now, discounted bill honored on maturity. Before we go to problem, I'll explain you what is a concept. Now, one person is called as seller and one more person is buyer. We'll go with the same example. So, this person is called as seller and this person is called as buyer. The another name for seller is what? Yes, good. Another name for seller is drawer. And another name for the buyer is what? Yes, another name for the buyer is drawee. Now, in this situation, what happens? It is sale happened. Now, so goods transferred. At the time of sales, goods transferred. So, later what happened? He told that I'll give you money after 2 months. If it is after 2 months, what seller will do? He will send a document, bill of exchange. He has to sign that document and he has to give it back. That is the second thing. Now, after 3 months, what will happen? The cash will be given to this person. Any doubt in this? This is a normal procedure. Sales happen, goods transferred. So he told that I'll give you money after 3 months. Then what will happen? He will send a document, bills of exchange. It is given to the buyer. He signed, he gave it back. Then after 3 months, as per he told, he gave the cash, he collected that document. Clear? Yes. Now, as per the agreement, after 3 months, the money has to be settled. Now, I am the seller, you are the buyer. Just assume that I am the seller, you are the buyer. So, there is a sales happened for worth of rupees 10,000. So, as per the agreement, after 3 months, I have to come to you and I have to collect that 10,000. But, so, I cannot wait for 3 months. I am in urgency, or else there is an emergency. I need 10,000 today itself. But as per the agreement is what? Imagine we are in the month of January. You told that in the month of April you will pay me back. But in the month of January itself I need money. What I can do? In the agreement it is told that after 3 months. But I need money today itself. What I can do? The solution is, instead of collecting the 10,000 from you after 3 months, whatever the signed documents you have given, I'll go to bank. I'll go to bank. Now we are in the month of January. I'll get the 10,000 after 3 months. I cannot wait up to 3 months. I'll need money today itself. There is a marriage of my daughter. I'll need the 10,000 today itself. I'll go to bank. I'll explain everything. Mr. X, he has signed and gave me this document. He will pay me 10,000 in the month of April. So I'll talk to the bank and saying that you take this document. You collect from that person after 3 months, but you pay me 9,500 now. So he is a third person called bank. Now, what bank will do? Bank will pay me 9,500 by keeping that document. Clear? Bank is the third person because I cannot ask you till April. So I need money now only means I can go to bank. I'll pledge. I'll keep the document in the bank itself. I'll take 9,500 from the bank. Now the chapter is closed. I'll collected my money. Clear? After 3 months, what you will do? You will come and pay me 10,000. Then I will say, your signed document is not with me. It is with whom? Bank. You go to bank. You give 10,000 to bank. You collect your signed document. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now, whatever cash you are paying me, don't pay me. You pay to bank. How much you will pay to bank? Yes. As per the agreement, you will pay 10,000. Now, what is the benefit to the bank? In the month of January itself, bank gave me 9,500. I am out now. Bank collected 10,000 from you in the month of April. So, for the 3 months, bank earned 500 because they paid me 9,500, but they collected from me how much? 10,000. That 500 is the income to the bank. Why bank will get 500? Why? Because they have paid me 9,500 3 months earlier. Today itself, they are paying me 9,500. For that reason, bank will get 500. Hope you are clear with this small example. Clear? Yes. We'll go with the question. See, now 10,000 worth, he went to bank and bank gave him 9,500. Clear? The same story. What will be the journal entry? Journal entry will not change. Slight changes we have in journal entry. Now, journal entries in the books of drawer. Drawer means what? Seller. Journal entries in the books of drawee. Drawee means in the books of buyer. Journal entries in the books of seller. Journal entries in the books of buyer. Now, same journal entry will do what we did in the previous session. Same journal entry. So, the first journal entry will be what? It is your buyer. Buyer account data. Buyer account data to sales account. First one. Second one. Bills receivable account data to buyer account. Any changes in the journal entry? No. Same journal entry. And the third one, it was bank account data to bills receivable account. This was the normal journal entry, but we'll add one more. What is that one more? Discount account. This is the new thing. Other than this, everything is same. Hope you understood. Now we'll go for the next one. In the books of purchaser or drawee. Now, the journal entries will be first one. Ulta. Whatever journal entry we made, it will be reverse. Sales will become purchase. Buyer will become seller. First one is done. We'll go to second one. Reverse. Bills receivable will become, buyer will become seller. Bills receivable will become bills payable. We'll go for the third one. Same thing, reverse. The discount will not affect to the buyer. Now, bills payable account data to bank account. These are the journal entries we have to follow for this. Nothing changes what we did in the previous session. If you have not seen the previous session, please go back to session number 3. In that, I have given you journal entry. Same journal entry we are doing except discount. Other than discount, everything is same. Journal entry number 1, journal entry number 2, and journal entry number 3. Same thing we have followed. I'll go back to answer. See, bills receivable to David, 10,000. So in this, what happened? We have not done this buyer account data to seller, but you have to do it in your examination. Buyer means what? David. David account data to sales, you have to pass. For the next problem, we'll pass this journal entry. This is missing in your answer, but we have done this one and this one. Bills receivable account data to David, bank account, discount account to bills receivable. What is your receivable? 10,000. How much you received? 9,500. What is the discount? 500. Similarly, in the books of acceptor and drawee. Now, Mohan to bills payable to bank. I'll go back to your journal entry. Mohan to bills payable to bank. We have done only these 2 journal entry, but in your examination, you have to do this also. Very simple. Purchase account data to Mohan account. That's it. Amount will be same. So 10,000 and 10,000. Hope you understood this. I'll go to next problem. So in that you will understand better. Same thing, Manu sold. So first person is what? Manu. To Mahesh. And the second person is Mahesh. So he is the first person and he is the second person. What is the amount? 5,000. So he has to pay him 5,000. When he has to pay 3 bills for the amount after acceptance, Manu discounted the bill with the banker for 4,900. So instead of 5,000, how much he is collecting from bank? 4,900. How much income to the bank? Bank will earn 100 rupees. Same story what I explained for problem 1, it applies for problem 2 also. Now, on the due date, the bill was honored, pass the necessary journal entry. Same procedure. What will be the journal entry? I'll explain. Buyer to seller, bills receivable to buyer, bank discount, bills receivable. Please take a screenshot of this journal entry. Very important. Now, buyer, purchase account data to seller, seller to bills payable to bank. The same thing we have followed. Buyer means whom? Mahesh. Mahesh to sales, bills receivable to Mahesh, bank discount bills. What is the discount given? 100. What is the total value? 5,000. Hope you are clear. In this, as I told you, there is no discount in this. The final thing is bills payable to bank. 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. The discount factor, the discount amount, our difference amount will not affect to your buyer. It will affect only to the seller. Why? Because seller want money immediately. He will discount with the bank. He'll go to bank and request that you pay me less, you collect full amount from the buyer later after 3 months. That is called as discounted bills. Yeah. This is all about your today's session. Second problem I did not explain you why, because that will be taken as homework. So you have solution. First you work out in your notebook. Later you can check with the answer whether it is correct or wrong. But remember, journal entry will remain same. It will not change. So I'll end this session with the saying that learn concept and earn marks.